Hi, so welcome to the Spirits of Anarchy. Going to take you through a simple serve of Rey De Gatos. So Rey De Gato is a actual tequila mocha. So we're incorporating flavors of dark chocolate and also coffee. The overall flavor profile is light notes of coffee and chocolate with agave honey and a little bit of vanilla. So for this perfect serve, actually on this occasion we're not going to actually mix it with another mixer. For us, we believe it's best served on its own over ice. So we're just going to take our brandy balloon, going to add some ice, and then we're going to pour 50 mils of our Rey de Gatos, and then give that a simple stir. Okay, so here we have a simple serve of Rey de Gatos over ice. Enjoy.